Hi, today for the POCO X5 and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Discover on this device. So if you want to turn off the Google feed, we should first hold for a while our home screen, then tap on the right down corner to the settings icon, then click to more and you'll see here -1 screen. So now we can select can see here the Google Discover, just switch it to none. Let's go back and we can see that the Google Discover successfully turned off. If you want to turn it on by the same way, go to the settings on the right down corner, tap to more, click to -1 screen and switch none to Google Discover. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.